Hello everyone. In the previous videos, I talked about retentive and persistent variables, and to test them, I used the reset warm and reset code options. And in this video, I'll explain what each one of these do. Now, the reset warm resets the application and all the normal variables except retentive and persistent variables. The reset code resets the entire project, including retentive variables, but except persistent variables. And finally, the reset origin resets all variables, including retentive and persistent, and it erases the application completely from the controller. And these options here are used to test your project and see how it behaves. That's how you use the reset options in Master Tool, and I see you on the next video.